In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client sub-account on GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can spin up a clean, dedicated workspace for each client. Sub-accounts and cases in GoHighLevel keep pipelines, automations, contacts, and reporting neatly separated, which makes management and permissions pure easier as your agency grows. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into an agency level account with the right permissions. Start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard and open your account menu. This is the profile or account area you typically find at the top of the app. We're doing this first simply to get to the correct view, so all the tools you need are visible. Next, switch to Agency View. If you ever find yourself stuck in a single client's location, you won't see the controls to manage multiple workspaces. Agency View is the hub for your whole operation, letting you oversee everything from billing to snapshots and, most importantly for today, sub-accounts. Once you're in Agency View, head to Sub-accounts in the left-hand menu. Think of this page as the roster of all your client workspaces. It's where you can scan what you've already created and add new ones. If you manage several clients, this list becomes your mission control. From here, click Create Sub-account. This kicks off the new workspace setup. You're essentially telling GoHighLevel to prepare a fresh environment where you'll later configure assets, users, and integrations specific to that client. The big advantage is that nothing from your other clients spills over. Everything stays organized and isolated. You'll then be prompted to select a snapshot. A snapshot is a packaged set of assets, funnels, automations, pipelines, templates, and settings that helps you launch faster. Choose the snapshot that best matches the client's industry or the services you'll deliver. For example, if you have a proven onboarding snapshot with your standard pipelines, emails, and triggers, pick that so the sub-account starts with your best practice foundation instead of a blank slate. If you maintain multiple snapshots, label them clearly so you can identify the right one at a glance. A thoughtful choice here can save hours of setup and helps ensure consistency across clients. After you select the snapshot, GoHighLevel will handle the heavy lifting and provision the new sub-account with the assets you chose. That's it. You've created a client sub-account and set it up with a template tailored to your workflow. To recap, open your account menu, switch to Agency View, go to Sub-accounts, create a new one, and select the snapshot that fits your client. You're ready to continue configuring the workspace with your usual process.